that sort of thing. So, ooh-wee. So the arms are going to be made out of, you guessed it, some pool noodle. Probably about 9 inches of pool noodle. And then I cut it into fourths like that, which gives you about this size. I rounded off the edges to give it a nice finished look. Rubber band, put it up about where his wrist is gonna be. Just to sort of give him a wrist crease. Throw that around there, like that. And then you have cute little arms. This top of this container is where his shoulders are gonna be. So that's where I'm gonna put his arms. How are we feeling about the arms? Feeling pretty good about the arms. They do need some decoration. I'm just gonna Sharpie marker on some eyes and a cute mouth. Here, probably do a classic triangle eye. Give it a little bit bigger. And go like this. Pupil. I don't know if I want to give him a nose yet. Hey, these are great for Sharpie markers. Gotta say. Not too shabby. Comment and tell me if you think he needs a nose. I think he might, but it's easy to put on later. So just leave me a comment and let me know if I should put on a nose. Let me know. Pretty cute. All right, now is your time. It's your time to shine. We have very little hot glue left, so this is gonna be interesting. I mean, I really do have more hot glue. I didn't check to see if he's not lying. Ah, it's hat. Oh, I love this. I really do love this. I also found some of these. Nutcrackers hold a pretty special place in my heart because when I was a kid, my dad, I think it was maybe for my 9th Christmas, I was 9 years old, my dad tediously created nutcrackers for my sister and I. And they were so perfect and special and handmade, and I loved them. In fact, I wouldn't let them put away the nutcrackers at the end of the season because I wanted to have my nutcracker with me all the time. It just like really was a special thing for me. And so when I go start making nutcrackers for my favorite holiday, which is Halloween, I sort of have a nostalgia boost because of that great memory that I had with my late father. Cute! I love it! He's sitting in my lap because he's so tall. He's 2 feet tall. But proportionally, I think I got this nailed. All right. So cute. I'm gonna start accessorizing a little bit more because I can't help myself. Oh my gosh. Pumpkin shoulder pads are the best. The way that I like to think about Halloween design is really just like lines and dots. Sometimes zigzags, but really it's just like a bunch of lines and dots in different colors. Usually it's black and orange. Throw in some purple in there and you really got yourself a good combo. And then if you want to add even more to your palette, you can use that kind of bright green. I'm adding a little bit of stripes on his arm just to give him some definition. Like that. Kind of a tiger stripe, but I think it's very Halloween, cute. Problem is I just don't know when to stop. I'm just gonna put some little lace holes down the middle. And then I'm gonna show you how it turned out. It turned out super cute. Dun, dun, dun. He's really cute, and I hope that everybody that comes into my house and sees him puts a little smile on their faces. Thank you for coming and watching this whole video. Like and subscribe and leave me a comment if he needs a nose. Does he need a nose? I'm not sure. Maybe some mutton chops though. All right, talk to you later, bye.